Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the Pixel 6 Pro January update and whether it fixed a lot of the issues that the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro were experiencing, mainly from the December update, but some of that stuff was an issue since release. So if you didn't get the December update and you just got the January update, you may not have had some of these issues, but the January update, if you did not get the December update, also patches all the issues that the December update was supposed to patch. So if you didn't get the December one, the January one is definitely going to be a big one for you. If you did get the December one before they pulled it and you're just now updating to January, some of those issues that we were experiencing from the December update should now also be fixed. The main issue that I was having was when I would try to make a call, my signal would just drop out. I would get a little X on the signal bar and then it would come back, but the call would fail. And I could try over and over and over again. It wouldn't work. I'd have to restart my phone, or I would have to turn on airplane mode and turn it back off, and that would usually fix the problem. I found this to be more on 5G, and that's what a lot of people are talking about as well, is the 5G. If they have their phone on 5G and they're connected to cellular for long periods of time, their phone was heating up a lot, kind of in the middle back here. Heating up and having pretty bad standby battery life, stuff like that. So we're not seeing too much of that. My phone hasn't really gotten warm that I've noticed. I've been on Wi-Fi most of the time, but even when I was out and about, haven't really noticed any issues with heating or anything like that. And battery life has also been pretty good. One other thing I was having was my phone randomly would freeze during an unlock. Now that hasn't happened since I've updated, but it also only happened a couple times since the December update, but I explained that in my last video. On the lock screen, I would go to unlock with my fingerprint and it would be unresponsive. Not like the fingerprint sensor wasn't working, but it wasn't even trying to read my fingerprint. And then I was able to swipe up to enter my passcode, and when entering the passcode, it would freeze right here just like this, but on a white screen, kind of like right there in between, and not do anything, and I would have to force restart my phone. I had that happen 3 times and it hasn't happened since, so I'm not really too sure what was up with that. But everything else has been pretty good. I have seen a couple people saying they were having Bluetooth issues and a couple other minor things here and there, but the Bluetooth issues look like they were resolved with just a restart. So I'm not too sure if that was just a bug that person was having and it was a one-time deal, or if it's something with the update. Not too sure there yet because they haven't reported back. We still do have some slight lag in the Twitter app. I'm not too sure if that's a Pixel thing, a Twitter thing, or an Android 12 thing. It may just need to be, Twitter may just need to update the app for Android 12. I'm not too sure. I don't really notice it on my Z Fold 3 that much. It seems to be pretty bad on the Pixel 6 Pro with the 120 Hz screen. So I'm not too sure what that's related to, but a lot of people are still reporting that issue, and that has not been corrected in the January update. So that is the January update for the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.